Voyager 1, humanity's most distant explorer, has just detected a mysterious anomaly at the very edge of our solar system, something that defies all logic, something that shouldn't exist. Could this be a mere glitch, a never-before-seen cosmic phenomenon? Or could it be the first undeniable proof that we are not alone? Stay tuned, because what was just found could be the start of a revelation like no other. Since its launch in the late 1970s, Voyager 1 had one primary mission: explore the outer planets, then head off into the vast unknown beyond our solar system. It soared past Jupiter, capturing mind-blowing storms that had never been seen before. It swung by Saturn, delivering breathtaking images of its rings. And then it just kept going. By 2012, it had done the impossible. It crossed the heliopause, the invisible boundary where our sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. This was already an unprecedented milestone. But now, more than 40 years after its launch, it has made a discovery so bizarre that even veteran scientists are struggling to explain it. Before we dive in, it's important to understand that what Voyager 1 just uncovered is far more shocking than anyone anticipated. And this won't be the only revelation that leaves you speechless. The heliopause acts like a shield, protecting our solar system from the harshest cosmic radiation and high-energy particles that rush through deep space. But something is happening at this boundary that no one predicted. Voyager 1 is picking up strange vibrations in the magnetic field, fluctuations that should not be there. These waves ripple through space in an unexpected, almost deliberate way. The data doesn't add up. Scientists always assumed this region would be relatively calm, with only minor shifts in the magnetic field. But Voyager 1's instruments are telling a different story, one that suggests something or someone is pushing back against the very edges of our solar system. What could be causing these ripples? That's the million-dollar question. Some scientists believe it could be a new kind of cosmic energy, something we've never encountered before, perhaps an interaction between solar wind and an unknown force lurking in interstellar space. Others speculate these waves could be deep space signals, echoes of something massive and powerful moving just beyond our reach. But here's where things get really unsettling. What if something is reaching out to us? Could these signals be evidence that our solar system is being influenced by forces outside of our understanding? Voyager 1's data suggests that something is pressing against the heliopause, almost as if an external force is squeezing the boundary of our solar system. Could this be a result of intense stellar winds from nearby stars? Or is there an even greater force at play, one we have yet to comprehend? Some researchers propose a wild yet intriguing theory. What if Voyager 1 has stumbled upon a massive energy network spanning across the galaxy? If true, this could completely rewrite our understanding of how space works. It might suggest that our solar system is not just floating alone in the void, but rather connected to something far bigger than we ever imagined. And if that's the case, then what Voyager 1 has uncovered could be one of the most important discoveries in human history. But here's the real kicker. These fluctuations aren't random. There is a pattern to them, something consistent and repeating. Whatever is causing them is not chaos. It follows rules we don't yet understand. Could the heliopause itself be acting like an antenna, picking up signals from deep within the universe? If so, who or what is sending them? Could Voyager 1 be the first instrument to detect an interstellar message that has been traveling for millions of years? If these energy currents are real, they could be part of a vast cosmic web, connecting solar systems across the galaxy, possibly even serving as a means of communication or travel. What if these currents are artificial, created by a far more advanced civilization? What if we're only just now detecting the footprints of an interstellar intelligence? Elon Musk himself has weighed in, calling Voyager 1's discovery a wake-up call for humanity. If we want to explore beyond our solar system, if we want to push past the heliopause and into the great unknown, we need to revolutionize space travel. SpaceX has made incredible advances, but even our most advanced rockets pale in comparison to what we will need to send humans into interstellar space. Because if we don't act now, we might miss our chance to unravel the greatest mystery of all time. Voyager 1 was built in the 1970s using technology that, by today's standards, is primitive. Yet, it continues to defy expectations, traveling 14 billion miles away and still whispering back to us from the void. Every signal it sends is a glimpse into the unknown, hinting at something far bigger than we can currently grasp. We thought we had mapped the limits of our solar system, but Voyager 1's discoveries keep proving us wrong. There are strange signals, unexplained forces, and bizarre interactions at the far reaches of our cosmic neighborhood, things that challenge everything we thought was possible. And then comes the biggest question of all: what lies beyond? If these energy currents exist, are they natural, or were they created? Could they be part of something more, something intelligent? Have we been detecting signs of life all along, but failing to recognize them? The universe doesn't follow our rules. It does what it wants, and we are only now beginning to catch on. Voyager 1 is more than just a spacecraft. It's a reminder of how little we truly know. It has gone where no human-made object has ever gone before, sending back signals from a place that no human will reach in our lifetime. And yet, it may not be alone. Every strange signal, every unexplained burst of data, it all could mean something far bigger than we ever imagined. The real question isn't whether the universe is full of unknowns. The real question is, are we ready to face them? Because one thing is certain, this mission is far from over. Every time we think Voyager has reached its limit, it surprises us again. It has already rewritten our understanding of the solar system, and now it's forcing us to ask even bigger questions. What is the universe hiding? What awaits us beyond the edge of our understanding? Voyager 1 might not last forever, but its discoveries will echo for generations to come. We live on a tiny planet in an infinite, unexplored galaxy, and Voyager 1, against all odds, is showing us that we have barely even begun to scratch the surface. The signals are there, the hints are coming in. The only question left is, are we brave enough to follow them? We will see. Thanks for watching. See you very soon.